Okay, we can combine rules together. Nobody is ever going to tell you you're only going to use one of these rules at a time. Like, honestly, we haven't been. We've been using power rule. We've been using sum and difference rules a lot. Like here, we're going to have, here we're going to have a function inside a function. Here, we're going to have to use the sum rule. And just for this one little part right here, the chain rule. So let's just go through this guy. The derivative, one piece at a time. The derivative is a linear operator. Anytime I have addition or subtraction, I can just take the derivative one piece at a time, one term at a time. The derivative of 5x squared is the 2 comes down and multiplies the 5. And then the 2 drops down by 1 to the first. I'm not going to write the first, but it's there. Plus the derivative of 2x. 1 times 2 is 2. Times x to the 0. X to the 0 is just 1. The derivative of any linear function is just the number. It's just the slope. Plus, now I've got a function inside a function. Chain rule. The derivative of junk to the 4th is 4 times junk to the 3rd power. So the 4 comes down front, leave the inside alone, drops down by 1, times the derivative of the inside. So what do we get here? 2 times 8 would be 16x to the 1st, minus the derivative of 9x is just 9. And maybe this cleans up some, maybe it doesn't. It really doesn't clean up much. Okay, here I've got a function inside a function inside a function. So m prime of t, and then I wrote an x there. This is a t. Sorry. I've got junk to the 9th power. So that's my overarching function, a whole bunch of stuff to the 9th power. So I'm going to get 9 times, leave everything inside alone. Don't change anything inside. Don't forget that plus 8 there. All to the 8th power times the derivative of everything that was inside. So this guy's derivative is going to come over here. Oh, look, that's a function inside a function. This is a plus. That guy there is a function in a function. So I have to use chain rule again. So 2 times, leave the inside alone, to the 1st power, times the derivative of everything inside. The derivative of 3t plus 2 is just 3. Plus, don't forget about this guy. So I'm going to write this one explicitly. Derivative of 8 is just 0.